Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This week we're going to be sculpting our own car out of clay. Let's get to it. All right, I am excited to show you what I got from Fictive. Oh wait, this is awesome. That is so cool. Oh goodness, makes me smile. All right, so I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on. So this is a scale model of the Porsche that I have. And I asked Fictive to 3D print it for me because I'm going to do some sculpting so I can show you some of the body panels and things that I want to do to my car. So I did try to 3D print some of this at home. My printer's not that great and it's not that big. So this one we were able to kind of print it at 1/12 scale, and this will allow me to do some sculpting. Again, the part just looks really good. I'm really pleased. If you guys are ever in need of 3D printing, that is something that Fictive does as well. They are a digital online manufacturer for things like CNC, 3D printing, and more. So if you've got some needs, go check them out. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. So this is, I'm gonna say, mostly sculpted. As with almost everything I do, there's about 20% that could be improved. I'm relying on you guys to tell me what that is. So please put your comments below. Let me know which parts you think need to be improved. All right, so I'm gonna walk you through some of the designs here and let you know some of the thoughts. In general, I wanted this to look somewhat like a Porsche. To me, one of the defining features is back here, this wheel arch and the scoop here. That kind of, to me, signals that's a Porsche. I did want to make a wide body. So basically these are out about 3 inches. Well, when they'll be scaled at about 3 inches. So I curved this one back in. I could have added air ducts or air vents back here. But right now the inside is not really set up for that, but I could do that. Up front, I could put just, those slight kind of lines in the hood, one area or another, or vents to kind of give it a little more styling. Right now I've not yet added those. I did add a spot here for air to go through like a radiator or air condenser for like the air conditioning. I suppose the biggest thing you may want to know, I've only modeled half. So once you get this into CAD or digitally, it's pretty easy to mirror. I didn't want to take twice as much time to do that. So my thought was to keep the door exactly as is. That way the door can be open, closed, everything's great. I've got the side skirt here kind of flaring out, again to meet this widened fender. I also wanted, I'll call it a big rear spoiler. So I kind of have it starting all the way out here, wrapping around the back. I've tried to kind of cut this out to keep the rear taillights as is. But again, coming from this rear arch, wrapping around, I've got space for a rear diffuser. So again, I could add lots of little styling lines. I'll show you some images of some styling lines that could be added. But in general, this is kind of what I'm thinking. Let me know what I could do better. All right, everybody, that does it for this time. See you next time.